In the U.S., more than a quarter of soybean oil use meets national demands for biodiesel. 5 billion pounds of soybean oil production was required in 2015 for biodiesel consumption. That's over 440 million soybean bushels. The U.S. biodiesel and renewable diesel market for 2016 was nearly 2.9 billion gallons of soybean oil. That makes up about 50% of the biodiesel feedstock. Between 2006 and 2015, biodiesel helped increase soybean value by 63 cents. Today, it's worth about $10 a bushel. A gallon of diesel costs about 85 cents more than a regular gallon of diesel. While there are a few byproducts, glycerol is one of the major ones. That means for every 100 pounds of biodiesel produced, there's about 10 gallons of glycerol made. They have not yet found an effective way to utilize that glycerol produced. It's expensive to purify for pharmaceutical, food, or cosmetic use. Soybeans take around 90 to 150 days to grow, so it's not ideal if you're looking to find an efficient way to grow crops for biofuels. While having less emissions than diesel, it is about 10% less powerful, which isn't ideal for a good biofuel. In order to grow this biodiesel, you would need diesel, gasoline, or some other form of natural gas to power tractors. For growth, you would need agrochemicals, nitrogen, phosphorus, and post-starch fertilizer. You'd also need a well or river water for irrigation and land for the soybean crops. To make this biodiesel, you first need to grow the soybeans. From there, you use crushing and degumming techniques for crude soy oil. After this, it moves to the refining stage and then to the transesterification, where lipids will react with alcohol to produce this biodiesel. Since soybeans can grow, they are indeed renewable. Wasted soybean oil can produce biofuel via conversion when it is transesterified for 8 hours at 65 degrees Celsius and 900 RPMs with a boron trifluoride solution as an acid catalyst. This biofuel and biodiesel could potentially help conserve natural resources because it only needs land and fresh water.